Det ligner afslapning, men er det langt fra.
It's a Tour de France, not vacancy.
Den tyske lottorytter Marcel Sieberg er nemlig midt i et dagligt ritual. Et ophold i et isbad.
After the stage, the muscles are empty and painful, and after 8 minutes you come out. Okay, you don't feel the legs afterwards, but you recover faster, and you have less pain in the legs.
Det opuslige badekars vandtemperatur er 10 grader. Nedkølingen sætter blodcirkulationen i vejret og gør, at rytteren hurtigere restituerer efter en hård etape.
In their racing there is a lot of blood, and the blood vessels are very wide open. And then to give the difference, they do the cold water, give just the difference, and all blood vessels go closing. And that afterwards gives again an opening, a relaxing opening of the blood vessels, and so the recuperation and the lactic acid can be transported easily to the liver.
What's the worst part about it?
To go in. Yeah. But from day to day, it's more easy to jump in.
Og selvom det her kolde gys ikke gør Marcel Sieberg til Tour de France vinder hverken i morgen, i overmorgen eller om 5 år, så er det de små detaljer, der tæller i jagten på den lille fordel i cykelsporten.
There's a little percent, but a very good feeling too for the whole night and evening that the legs have a good feeling. That of course is not a lot of percent winning, but it's a part of a lot of things we do for the riders.
The mountains are coming, and I hope the legs are better now than before.